Open up pack of 1987 top stickers. 5 stickers in a pack. 1987. Spring Fever Baseball. Don't know what that's about. Let's see what we get. 5 stickers from 1987. Looks like some sort of redemption on the back. Here we go. Got a Mariner. Looks like maybe Kenny Phelps. Is that Andre Dawson? No, that's not Andre Dawson. Mickey Hatcher and John Kruk. Let's see. Names are on the back. Ken Phelps, I got that one right. Gary Matthews, Sarge. Oh, solo sticker for... Oh, my Twins knowledge is failing me. Gary Gaetti. Another double player with Jack Morris, Roger McDowell. Hey, Jack Morris, Hall of Famer. And finally, Larry Parrish, 1987. Top stickers.